You already know that a long-term stress is the reason for your panic attacks, for all of your anxiety attacks, and all sorts of health problems. But I am going to tell you another thing as well. I'm not trying to scare you. It's just that when you have undergone stress for a very long period of time, neurons in your brain, particularly in the region of prefrontal cortex and the hippocampus, start to shrink. When the neurons in these particular two groups start to shrink, your mood and your impulse control becomes inhibited. Similarly, the neurons in amygdala starts to increase under long-term stress. When neurons increase in amygdala, amygdala is your fear center. You become more fearful. You become more anxious. So long-term stress is actually changing your brain structurally. But there is a hope, and the hope directly comes from the ancient yoga and manifestation science from Western spiritual leaders. When I had my panic attack 4 years ago, I was going through a medical school in Nepal. I did not want to go to therapy sessions or buy anxiety pills because I knew that they were not going to treat the root cause of problems. This is the reason why I studied spirituality, I studied the power of mind, I studied consciousness. And in just 5 months, I was completely healed from panic attacks. And the best part is, when I was starting out in my meditation journey, I could not sit still for 1 minute. So if you can sit still for 1 minute right now, you can actually be healed faster than me, which means less than 5 months. So there is a way where you can decrease the amount of neurons that are present in your fear center and increase the neurons that are present in your mood and impulse control center. And the best way to do that is Yoga Nidra. People like Dr. Andrew Huberman call Yoga Nidra as non-sleep deep rest protocol. Exactly what it means. You're not sleeping, but you're getting a deep rest. What you're doing in Yoga Nidra is you're just placing your attention all over your body one by one until you achieve a state of relaxation. It just takes 10 to 15 minutes. And when that happens, your brain will be creating slow, coherent, relaxing waves of alpha waves and theta waves. When you're super stressed, your brain is creating high beta waves, very incoherent and very stressful. But if you do Yoga Nidra properly, your brain will create these slow, coherent, healing brain waves, as well as your subconscious mind is now ready to receive the messages. Under normal circumstances, your affirmation will not go into your subconscious mind, will not program your subconscious mind, because there is always an analytical portion of your mind that says, no, you're not calm, you're not relaxed, you're not happy. No matter how many times you affirm these ridiculous statements, I am not going to believe you. That's what your analytical mind says. But if you do Yoga Nidra, analytical mind gets destroyed as well. The door between the conscious mind, which is the 5% of your mind, and the subconscious mind, which is the 95% of your mind, is wide open. Now is the time to program your subconscious mind. So when you do Yoga Nidra, your brain will start to structurally change. Do not forget that. And after you do Yoga Nidra, what you're going to do is you start to create an imaginal act, which signifies that your desire is already fulfilled, which means you create an imaginal act where you're living your life free from panic attacks. For example, you might create an imaginal act where you are dating a girl, a beautiful girl. You're touching her hair, you're kissing her, you're smelling her perfume. She is complimenting you on how peaceful, on how relaxed, on how powerful you are. You're sipping your coffee, you're smelling the aroma of coffee, and you're just saying to yourself, wow, I'm finally free from panic attacks. I can finally drink coffee again. I can finally handle the emotional ups and downs of a girl again, of all the people in my life again, because I now am completely free. If you provide enough sensory vividness to whatever these kinds of imaginal act you're going to create in your mind, your brain will start to lose its differentiating ability between what an imagined act is and what an experience that you have in this three-dimensional world is. Your brain will start to think that all this imagined act is actually happening to you in real time. Now, if you can hold your attention and keep on mentally rehearsing this imaginal act, you are going to derive feelings from it, elevated emotions that are equivalent to whatever you have imagined. For example, maybe you have imagined that you're waking up in the morning, you're watching your clock, and it is 5 a.m. in the morning or 6 a.m., and you just have a big smile on your face instead of heart palpitation and racing thoughts in your head, and you're just saying to yourself, wow, I'm finally free. If you provide enough sensory vividness to this scene, you are going to feel grateful, happy, empowered, confident, and just incredibly enthusiastic about your life. Now that you have been embracing these emotions, elevated emotions from this imaginal act, you're embracing all of these positive emotions. Anxiety, panic attacks, worries, concern will start to fall off of your system, because anxiety and all these negative emotions cannot coexist with the positive emotions like gratitude and empowerment. This is how you heal your panic attacks. Through Yoga Nidra, you're going to change the structure of your brain, and through mental rehearsal, you're going to install new kind of neural networks in your brain. And through mental rehearsal of that imaginal act, you're going to feel the amazing feelings from it. You're going to change your brain, you're going to change your body by feeling all of these wonderful emotions, and this is how you overcome your panic attacks. Now, if you want one-on-one personalized coaching from me, then message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp, which are linked in the description box down below and the pinned comment section down below as well. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.